Alright, so we're back, and on today's agenda we're going to try to figure out the size of this hole that the dash is going to have to fit into from the Ranger. And after a bunch of really complicated head-scratching math, I still didn't have any idea exactly how it was going to fit, so I decided the best way to do it was to try to make a template, at least a rough template of how it was going to fit into this gaping hole in the front of the 48. And it turns out, if you need to fill the hole in the front of a 48 Ford, where the dash went, once you've got the firewall out, well, Harbor Freight not only has the solution for all your metalworking, and tools, and power tools, but also the box that a workbench comes in is the exact right size to fill the hole.
I mean, the top and the bottom are perfect.
It's impressive. Like, look at this. It's kind of crazy. See, I'm not overly concerned with the arch up here at the top. The way the dash looks like it's going to fit in, all of the curvature at the top there, right up in here, is all going to be past this point anyway. So I'm not really concerned about it. And if it ends up being an issue, I'll just cut the dash on this. I'll cut a slit in it where this can sit down. So it's kind of whatever. Oh god, it must be obviously structural. I think we might need the Sawzall. That's a hateful piece.
It is a hateful piece.
Yeah, part of the dash.
Right.
Well, that was awful. Stuff doesn't want to turn loose.
But it will.
Eventually.
Oh, yeah? Oh, come on.
Oh, no.
Fault to the last.
Stupid thing.
All right.
That'll do. Hey, look at that.
All right.
Looking like something.
Yeah. Something behind there.
Time for a new blade.
Oops. You did good there, though, Blade.
New blade.
Well, if we could bend that out, we could get it from this angle. All right, there we go. Easy slice straight down. That's the straightness of the blade is always the first thing to go. And there we go.
That was super easy.
Just fell right off.
That was great. Yay.
Yay.
Perfect. Easy. No problem. How long could that possibly take?
Weeks.
Yeah, a while. And there we go. Seatless. One step closer. Lined up. soon as I get this back cut off here, we'll be able to test fit for the first time and see how much more we need to cut to drop it down. Woo! By God.
Wahoo!
Gross.
Oh my gosh.
It's rubber.
Yeah, but
Alright, well, we just had to sawzall the bolts for the rear cab mounts. That was terrible. Had to sawzall through the bolts because they were rusted solid. So that was awful. Luckily, that's the last mounts we'll have to take off. So that's good. Now we'll just cut through the floor here.
you want some gloves?
Oh, there's something else holding it.
Yeah, seems like right in here.
Here, let me help you. We'll kick it like I did the bed. Let's try to kick it. Oh yeah. Kick it back and kick it over. That's how I did the bed. Yeah. What is that?
Something right here.
I know. That's shielding.
Yeah.
Yep. That's what it is.
Is it got a screw that's hooked to it, or is it
Rivets.
a rivets? So we're going to sawzall it.
I'd drill them out. Alright, hypothetically, take 5.
Hypocritically.
Yeah. That's what I was going for. Yeah. Look at this stupid thing.
We're going to need that?
No.
No. We're not going to need that either, are we? Yeah, we might.
I might put it in.
Okay, what we need to do is, the best way to go
Hire somebody.
is... Okay, let me get over there, because we're going to have to go... There's no way to go from over here. And what we'll probably have to do, see, is go through here. This is a clear way.
Okay.
Other than that,
I like it.
we got every stuff in the way.
The shed of shame.
Shed of shame.
Hashtag shed of shame.
Aztec?
Hashtag.
Oh, hashtag. This is Aztec. Shed of shame.
No, that was a tangle one.
Our pile behind the shed of shame is growing.
Substantially.
All right, we're getting dangerously close to sliding this thing under.
Dangerously close.